Hi, this video is for CPE329, Project 3, the digital multimeter. We're showing here our first DC value that we're going to show in our multimeter. Offset of 1.68. As you can see here on our DC, it's very close to 1.68. If we change the offset to 0.5, see here, our DC is about 0.5. Now we're going to do a sine waves. So here we're at an offset of 500 millivolts, the 1 volt peak to peak wave, and frequency set to 1000 hertz. And here we see the DC, the peak to peak. Our RMS is about 0.58. Frequency stuck at 4 or 500. As you can see, the bars correspond to the DC and true RMS values as well. Now we're setting the offset to 2.5. So you see here, DC is about 2.5, and the RMS bar and value change along with the change in the DC offset. Now we're going to 1.5 DC offset, frequency set to 500 hertz. With the peak to peak at 3 volts. So here we have our 1.5 offset, peak to peak at 3. The RMS here is 1.8, and you see the bars that correspond with it as well. Frequency is off by 84 there. We're going to the triangle wave. .50 hertz for frequency. .3 volt peak to peak with 1.5 volt DC offset. So you see that the DC offset is close to the 1.5. Peak to peak is about 3. Our RMS is 1.72. Now, next part. Now we're showing a 1 volt, should be 1 volt peak to peak. And we'll peak to peak with 1.5 DC offset at 10 hertz. So there's the offset, the peak to peak, the RMS, the bars that correspond with it. Probably needed to reset this for the last one for the bars to correspond, but the bars do work. Now we're going to look at the frequency at 3.3 volt peak to peak sine wave with 1.5 volt DC offset, frequency set to 1000 hertz. So 1000 there. It varies a little bit, but it's close. Now, at low frequencies,
I'd say no later than 10 because then that gives us at least 2
and a
hours.
square wave.
I'm sorry, Riley. I thought we'd have it done in an hour, but I underestimated.
No, this is the hardest part, is getting the damn thing to work. This is the hardest project we have.
So those are data we're getting. I think it's cutting off the 1 for the frequency there.
Final plan proposal, either tomorrow or Thursday.
And that is our project.